Okay, so hoy en matemáticas, today in math, we're going to use arrays to solve decimal multiplication problems. So yesterday, you all made arrays using the Block app. Today, we're going to do it in a little bit of a simpler way with just a drawing. So I'm just going to draw a rectangle, and for 2.4, again, I'll break up the 2 and I'll break up the 4/10. Then this side is still 3. So you notice I'm not drawing all the blocks inside. This is just to get me an idea of the numbers I'm multiplying. It's kind of like the box method. So we're going to do here 2 times 3, because this is 2 long and 3 tall. So 2 times 3 is 6. And here we're going to do 4/10 times 3, because this is 4/10 long and 3 tall. So 3 times 4/10 equals 1.2. So this part is the red part from the drawing. This part is the green part from the drawing. I just don't need to include the blocks because I can do the multiplication without them. So today you're going to be responsible for drawing an area model and then solving to find the area. So let's say we're doing 3 times 2.5. I start with my rectangle. One side is going to be 3, and this side is going to be 2 and 5/10. I'm going to break those into two different areas to make the multiplying easier. So 2 times 3, I know, is 6. 3 times 5/10 equals 1 whole and 5/10. So I'm thinking 5/10 times 3, that would be 15/10, or 1 whole and 5/10. Make sure you estimate first to see if you got the decimal point in the right place. So when I did 5/10 times 3, I knew it was going to be more than 1 because I know that 10/10 is a whole. So if I got an answer less than 1, I knew that would be crazy. And if I forgot my decimal point and got an answer of 15, I also knew that would be crazy. So always use an estimate to make sure that you're putting your decimal point where it makes sense. So again, to solve this problem, we draw our box, we break up the numbers just like in the box method, and we multiply. Then we add them up for our final answer. Again, this is really similar to the box method of multiplication that we learned earlier this year. All right, let's start.